Once upon a time, there was a poor, lonely scientist named Eugene. One day, he was tired of drinking brandy, so he decided to make some candy. He began to think back to his high school days and suddenly remembered his beloved chemistry teacher, Miss Mac. The thought of solubility came to his mind while thinking of what Miss Mac had said.
Remember guys, solubility is the ability of a solvent to dissolve a solute.
But Miss Mac, what's the difference between a solvent and a solute?
Well, Eugene, a solvent is the substance that dissolves the solute, usually water, while solute is the substance that is dissolved.
Then, Eugene remembered asking about the concept of a supersaturated solution, in which Miss Mac answered,
Supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than what can be dissolved by the solvent.
And now, thanks to Miss Mac, his problem with candy making is solved.
Yep, sounds good.
Eugene remembers some more stuff they learned which can help him with his candy making.
The temperature that affects solubility is part of collision theory. When the temperature increases, the number of collisions between molecules and the rate increases due to a higher kinetic energy. As temperature decreases, the amount of collisions between molecules and the rate decreases due to a lower kinetic energy.
After all his recollection about solubility, he immediately started his lab. Firstly, he heated up water inside a beaker and dissolved some sugar. When it reached the right temperature, he began to cool the sugar mixture down. Then, he stuck a stick into the beaker and waited for his crystallized candy to form. At last, he got his homemade candy. He was now happy and didn't need his brandy anymore. And thanks to solubility, he now has a cavity.